Hello, guys, and welcome to my new channel, Software Mentor. My name is Afsab Chandiwala, and I am a Java full stack developer. So, guys, today I will be teaching you how to make a symbol using turtle library in Python. The symbol will be of a corona virus symbol, or you can say it as a symbol of a virus. It will be graphically designed by using Python. Okay, so let's start with it. Let's install the Python library in VS Code so we can use Python extension to run the Python files in VS Code. Okay, so now it is installing in the VS Code. So let's start with the video and let's start with how to make a coronavirus symbol. कैसे हम एक कोरोना वायरस सिंबल बनाते हैं यूजिंग पाइथन लाइब्रेरी कॉल्ड टर्टल. Okay, so first we will import the turtle library. Okay, so I'll be importing by writing import turtle. Okay, then we'll take a variable a and we'll give you a value as 0, and we'll take a variable b and we'll be giving a value as 0. Then in what we have import turtle, so we'll write turtle.pg color will be as black. Okay, so the bg color means the background color will be black, and we'll be giving a speed for making the symbol using the Python. So I'll be giving a speed as -10, so it will be a little slow, otherwise it will be very fast and it will make the symbol very fast. So I'll be taking as -10. Then I'll take the pen color, that is turtle.pen color green. The color of the actual symbol will be green. Then I'll be taking turtle dot goto. Goto means something. Goto is used to move the turtle to the specified coordinates, drawing a straight line from the destination x to y if the pen is down, and not drawing if the pen is up. Okay, so the goto is used for for moving the coordinates from x to y by the specified coordinates given by the client, by the user, by the developer. Okay, so I'll be giving a goto coordinates as 0xy as x and 200 as y. Okay, then pen down will be the line going from x to y, a straight line. Okay, so if it's while true, turtle.forward, draw a as variable, turtle.right as b. Okay, so it will go forward and take a right. Then a plus equal to 3 times it will move. B plus equal to 1, it will move to the right 1 time, and it will move to the forward 3 times. Okay, if b equal to 200, if the b plus is equal to 1, we have used the increment. So if it is equal to 200, it will break, it will stop. Okay, so turtle dot exit, if b crosses 200, it will turtle dot exit on click. So okay, if b is equal to 200, it will take a break, and the symbol is, so basically the symbol will be complete if b equal to 200. Okay, and turtle dot exit on click, if you click on the pop-up menu of turtle.python, it will get exit. Okay, so now we'll run it. Okay, so this is what we got as an output. We have got a specific coronavirus symbol as an output using the turtle library in Python. So it is green in color, what we have put in pen color, and the bg background color is black, and the speed is -10. If we increase the speed, it will move faster and it will make a symbol faster than this. time taken to make this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you want to learn more about Python, Java, full stack, and more computer software things, please follow me, subscribe me, like my videos, and subscribe my channel, and I'll give you more updates and more videos about many interesting things, and I'll help you to move forward in your career and make your future. Thank you so much for watching my video. Once again, all the best for your careers, and support me. I'll teach you more exciting things in the future. Thank you so much. Bye.